Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation for P4, the prototype. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the existing problem that my prototype was able to solve. First, I'd like to start out with some background information. Shotguns come in a variety of sizes. Bore diameter, which is the same as barrel diameter, commonly range from 12 gauge to 28 gauge barrels. Depending on your preference, shotguns must be cleaned after each use. When it comes to cleaning the barrel of a shotgun, cleaning it requires scraping them out with a copper brush, using a cloth or sponge to remove excess filth, and applying a mineral oil or gun oil to the rest of the barrel. Pictured to the right is my Remington 800 12 gauge shotgun and a copper brush cleaning tool. And now I would like to show you a video conducted by my parents of cleaning a shotgun barrel. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for that great video. So the problem I found with current barrel cleaning methods is that current copper brushes are only sized for one bore diameter, and multiple brushes are required for multiple sized shotguns. Pictured on the left is a standard gun cleaning case featuring multiple sized copper brushes and swabs. And pictured on the right is a 12 gauge barrel and a standard copper brush for that barrel. The solution I came up with for this problem was creating an adjustable brush that lets you set the copper wire length to the required length for the type of shotgun you are cleaning. This single adjustable brush would allow for less packing on long hunting trips, reduce costs by eliminating a large amount of required brushes, depending on how many shotguns you have, and reduce time to switch between brushes while cleaning multiple shotguns. My initial design consisted of a outer copper bristle guide that when spun around would allow the copper wire to spool around the central coil, reducing the length of the wire. Once you get the required bristle length, you can then lock the mechanism in place and begin to clean your gun barrel. The outer guide would only revolve so much to allow for the length of 0.73 inches, which is the size of a 12 gauge barrel, and 0.615 inches, which is the size of a 20 gauge barrel. The number of required bristles would be that of a standard copper brush, as seen in the other images. When it came to fabricating my design, things did not turn out so well. First off, the only tools I had was a small pocket knife and Gorilla Glue, so don't judge me too hard. As well, the wire I used was made out of a steel galvanized wire that was way too malleable and would not hold its position. Hopefully you can picture 6 slots around the outer copper bristle guide and many more bristles sticking out of it. Nonetheless, I still attempted to show its function, so here's a demonstration video. I start off grabbing the brush by the handle and rotating the outer guide to spool the wire around its axes. I then spool the wire enough to reach the required length of the barrel I will be cleaning. So to conclude this presentation, I'd like to point out some flaws and successes of my idea. For flaws, I pointed out that it would require much better manufacturing processes to really help refine the design and create a very well working product. And for successes, I do believe this was a practical idea that can definitely be achieved, and it really does have potential to solve the existing problem of having too many brushes in too big of a kit when going on long hunting trips, etc. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thanks for watching.